Alright. We're going to put it down on this cart. We're going to drag it down here to the back door of my shop. Who's mad? Sam's mad? Or the chickens?
The chicken. She's fussing at me. Look. Oh.
Is that the blind one?
She's going the wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh, well, as soon as she hits that grass, though, she goes to eat. She is fussing at me. That's Sam's chicken. You know that.
Yeah.
She's mad. Look at Sam. Well, the second she hits that grass, she goes to picking her some grass.
Yeah. Whew, it's in here. I got the packing straps off. I'm fixing to pull this top off. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And it is bolted down to that base, so, all right, let me get a hammer and start knocking this apart. Well, that's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. And right now, all the 12-year-olds, the 13-year-olds are out there saying, that's what she said. Okay, let me get it unbolted. I get a rag with acetone. I got to clean all the factory grease off of it and look at the parts. I think what I will do is get it unbolted, get it up on my bench here. I'll give these, just in case there's something I got to do, I'll give these a look here first. Okay, when I get it up, cleaned up and on the bench, I'll show you. All right, I've got most of the cosmoline cleaned off of it. So here you have, what is this, Y-axis? There's Y, X-axis, and then Z. Or I may have this backwards. It may be X this way, Y this way, but it doesn't matter. So here we have the sliding table. And now we have this. And then you lock this in like that. And you can use this to turn thousandths, I believe. I don't know how many thousandths a turn is, but I'll find that out. So now what I need is a little vise that clamps in these T-slots. I'm going to bolt this down in a few minutes, but I'm going to read the instructions to see if there's anything I got to do. I do know that this is a tilting head, and because of that, there's a big nut here. I want to put a drill bit in here and then measure to make sure this head is square to the table. So, but I'm not going to do that right now. Right now I'm going to read the instructions to see if there's anything special I got to do before I get any further. Cleaning the grease off is done. All right, the instructions say to run this in low gear. It's in low. And to turn it on and let it run at low speed for 10 minutes. And then run it at medium speed for 10 minutes, then put it in high range, do the same thing. So I got to sit here and run this thing for 40 minutes. So let me set my timer. I'm wrong. I got to run it at low, medium, high, in low range for 10 minutes each, and then low, medium, high for 10 minutes each in high speed. So see you in an hour. All right, I'm on the last speed here, the highest RPM, about 5 minutes into it. I'll shut it off in a few minutes. I'll tell you what, I like it. Is it $1,000 worth of nice? You know, by the time you pay taxes and get it shipped, it's like $950. I don't know. Time will tell. It's going to do a lot of things that a drill press won't do. And just looking at it, I could tell that it doesn't have the run out that my drill press has. So that is an improvement. So I'm going to pay this machine off. And then I'm going to buy a machinist's vise and some end mills and ball end mills to cut fullers. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. It's going to add a new addition that a drill press just doesn't do. And bottom line, if all I ever do is drill holes with it, it's going to pay for itself eventually, for the simple fact that I can drill straight holes without, you know, rounding them out. And I mean, that's my whole goal was to replace the drill press with the run out, because it's making my holes come out oval shaped. And you know, I've mentioned it before, epoxy squeezes out. I mean, it's a real obvious flaw that I can't do anything about without a machine that's more accurate, and this is the accuracy you need to get past that. So I have reamers. I have a reamer in there that's 1/1000th over, so over a quarter. So I'm going to be able to really make an improvement on the pinholes in my knife handles, and that is the original reason why I started looking for something to replace the drill press. So anyway, I'm done for today. It's afternoon. I'm going to put my tarp away and coil up my rope, put my truck away. I got this bolted down to the bench, all cleaned up, set up. I have not squared the head to the table yet. I'll do that tomorrow. I may do that before I go home. That won't take too long. But that's a simple procedure. All right, so I'm going to put this up. I'll give you one more little walk around. Yep, I like it. Okay. Grizzly mini mill. See you tomorrow. Looky here, it is not square. But I can fix that. I'm going to do that right now. Okay. It's here. And we encountered our first social distancing Nazi today at Home Depot. And it just happened to be the cashier. She's just freaking out that we were close to her. And she even had a mask on. Even though it's the law here now, you have to have a mask. Unless you're fat and old.
Well, obviously they're not enforcing it, because more than half of the people in Home Depot didn't have masks on.
No, yeah, there was. I brought my mask just in case they wouldn't let me in without a mask. But I wore my mask in there, and I got in the door and I looked around, and I was the only one with a mask on, so I took it off.
Well, you know, they just started it yesterday afternoon. That the mayor of Shreveport, said everybody has to wear a mask in public. Now, I don't know when it goes into effect, but Texas, where we live, is enforcing it.
You probably couldn't hear her because I got the windows down. So
because we don't have AC.
We don't have AC or a speedometer, but I did download the speedometer app, and as soon as I hang up here, I'm going to put my speedometer back on because I think I'm going kind of slow. Okay, I'll show you my machine when I get it home. The thing about a big dog is that they also have big farts. My God, my eyes are watering. Good Lord, what did you eat? What did you eat? What did you eat, sweetie? Something inside you got spoiled.
Maybe she didn't eat it. Maybe it crawled up inside her and died.
Of all the heads in all the land, mine is the best tasting. You good girl. You good girl. Yes, you are. No, not the mouth.